Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series. Our today's question is in RT cluster of fine dark spots indicates. So basically when you review a RT film and if you see cluster of fine dark spots like this clusters of dark fine spots, what are these? So you may see cluster of dark fine spots. So what is this? Correct answer is porosity. This is nothing but porosity. Group of porosity, or it can be called as cluster porosity. So cluster of dark spots is nothing but porosity. Porosity appears as rounded or nearly spherical dark indications on radiographs. So this is nothing but porosity. Friends, if you have not joined my channel, I request you to please join my channel and support my initiative. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much.